Start your wonderful day at Jurong Bird Park Singapore, one of the world's most famous bird zoos. Gaze in wonder at the incredible structure featuring man-made indoor waterfalls and walk in aviaries. But the main attraction of it is, of course, the thousands of birds it houses. There are over 5,000 birds of over 4,000 species in this magnificent aviary. Jurong Bird Park, which opened on 3rd January 1971, is Asia's largest bird park and home to more than 5,000 birds across 400 species. Built at a cost of 3.5 million Singapore dollar. The 20.2 hectare park draws about 8 lakhs visitors annually. The park offers visitors an immersive experience with large open concept displays that feature exhibit simulating the natural habitats of birds. Jurong Bird Park is known for all the shows and activities it hosts for complete entertainment of the visitors. King of the Skis and High Flyers show from the two most important show to be a part of. Spending an entire day would not go in vain as there are myriads of things to enjoy. Wildlife tour, birds feeding, birds interaction session, kids play section and camping. From exotic and threatened species such as southern ground hornbill and Asian fairy bluebird to popular favorites like parrots, peacock and cranes, Jurong Bird Park has it all with over 25 years of experience in aviculture conservation. Jurong Bird Park offers an unforgettable experience for birds lovers of all ages. Whether you are looking for a day out with a family or simply want to get closer to nature. The idea of a Jurong Bird Park came from the Minister of Finance Goh Ken Swee. He got the inspiration for a bird park when he visited the Rio Aviary in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil in September 1967. The park received contribution of birds from all over the world. 12 countries, 7 zoos and 40 private donors had contributed birds to Jurong Bird Park's collection by its opening day in 1971.